Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. So we discussed about lots of things in this video series. Now I want to create a simple calculator using JavaScript. So last day we discussed about how to take user input as well as we discussed about how to convert one data to another data type, right? So in this video we are going to discuss about some basic operation of calculator, right? So here I want to add some data first, right? So here I just going to declare a variable, suppose number 1 equal to something 10 and where number 2 equal to suppose 20, and let's declare another variable, that is sum, and you can say sum equal to number 1 plus number 2. Okay, and if you want to print, you can print in this way: document dot write, and let's print sum. Okay, and if you check, you are getting the output is 30. Now I want to get output like this, write in this way. So use template literal, and here I just going to print in this way. So here will be sum, and here just write addition is like this. Okay, so now if you write in this way, you can get this out. And if you want to do subtraction operation, you can do this. So simply write var and write here a sub. Okay, and simply instead of sum, you can write in this way, and here this will be the sub, and here we want to minus these things, and I want to print the output like this. Then subtraction is this. Okay, so this is the variable, that is sub. So now we can get the addition and subtraction. So let's use this beer here, so that you will get the output in the next line. Okay, so addition is 30 and subtraction is minus 10, as the num2 is greater than num1. Okay, so let's make it 30, and here you can say 50. This is 30 plus 20 equal to 50, and 30 minus 20 equal to 10. So we are getting addition and subtraction. But the problem is always if you refresh this, you will get this output. But here I want to get the input from here, means user will add some data. Suppose num1 equal to something, num2 equal to something, whatever, the user will input that things. So how we can take input from the user? So already we discussed about that things. So here let's close this line first, and just call the prompt. We know how to take user input. We use the prompt last day, and here just write var num1. Okay, so I will take the prompt value here. So here simply you can write enter first number. So whatever user will provide from the prompt, it will store into the num1, and similarly just declare num2, and here simply write enter second number. Okay, now you can see if you just refresh these things, so the pop-up are asking, means the prompt are asking enter the first number. So I just provided 30 here, and okay, then it's asking the second number, and here I write 20, and let's go. We are getting 30, 20 and 10. So this is another problem we are facing. Okay, so I discussed about that things in the type conversion part, means when we take user input from the prompt, we will get that things as a string. So let's check. So if you just going to check data type, so simply just console once. So console.log, and here write type of num1. So simply let's open the console and just go here and just refresh this. So just pass 30, and again we are passing 20, and you can see this is the string type. So as it is a string type data, that the reason these two are concatenating, means here we discussed about that things. The plus is used to concatenate two strings, and also plus is applicable for as an arithmetic operator. So here JavaScript treats that num1 as a string, so that it's just concatenating and it's resulting in the sum, so that we are getting both things, num1 and num2. So that the reason we always need to convert the type. So I already discussed about how to convert the string. So to convert the data type, simply we can write in this way. So we just convert into number. So simply write number num1 and just pass number num2. So number is the function to make it the data type into the number format. Okay, so just to go into the browser and let's refresh and try again. So 50 and then 40, so we are getting that is 90. So that time it's not a 50 40, it is actually calculating the addition operation. Easily you can do that. So in the same way you can do the multiplication operation, division operation, right? So hope you can do that. And still if you have any problem, I am showing that things. So simply let's create another variable like this. So simply write var and there is division and multiplication, whatever you can write in this way also. So at the same time you can declare and simply just write here div equal to, and just write in this way, just copy and paste, and in the same way just write the multiplication also. So simply write multiplication and just do the same things. So copy and paste, also copy and paste here, and this is the and this is a subtraction, this is a multiplication, and sorry, this is division, and this is multiplication. So just print in the same way. So just copy the beer from here and just paste this. Okay, so simply in this way. So here write the division is, and here write multiplication is. Okay, and here just print the variable mul for multiplication and division div. Okay, and now just refresh this, we can do that. Suppose I just going to print 90 and the next number is suppose 10. Okay, so let's okay, and you can see the addition is 100, 90 plus 10, and subtraction is 80, division is 9, and the multiplication 8, but I cannot see the input here. So you can write in this way also, addition of, in this way, addition of this variable, that is num1 and num2 is like this. So simply just do this same for all in this way. Okay, now just go and refresh again, and we can see the output like this. Okay, so already now let's use 45 and 5. Okay, so let's see. So addition of 45 and 5 is 50, subtraction of 45 and 5 is 40, and the same way division of 45 and 5 is 9, multiplication of 45 and 5 is 225. Okay, so that's all about calculator. This is the basics things, and hope you can understand this. It is very clear things. And next day we are going to discuss about another things, like if you want to get your mathematical formula into the JavaScript, how you can do this. We will do a simple example on that, and after that we will discuss about the DOM, and we will learn the more interesting thing about JavaScript. Okay, so in this video, if you have any queries about anything, please comment in the below comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.